Welcome to abbycurl.com, your trusted source for premium natural human hair wigs. I'm Joe, founder of Abby Curl Wholesale. Today we're doing Wigs 101 to get you confident about laces, densities, styles, everything you need. When buying your first wig, lace fronts create that realistic scalp illusion. Transparent lace is beginner-friendly and blends well on fair to medium skin tones. HD lace is ultra-thin and nearly invisible on all skin tones, even in bright lighting or photos. Pro tip: HD lace is ideal for photo shoots or special events. Transparent lace is perfect for everyday wear. Just like clothes, wigs come in sizes: small, medium, large. Get a head measurement, ear to ear across forehead, around the back, to see if you're small, 20 inches, medium, 22 inches, or large, 23 inches and above. At Abby Curl, most medium caps are adjustable, so if you're unsure, go adjustable. Density refers to how full the hair is. It's expressed in percentages. 130% equal sign light, natural 150% equal sign standard, everyday fullness 180% equal sign full glam, 250% equal sign dramatic, voluminous higher density means more hair, more weight. Choose based on the look and wearability. abbycurl.com offers all these densities, so you can pick what feels best. At Abby Curl, we responsibly source Remy human hair from trusted regions. Most hair originates from India, often from temple donations or voluntary sales in rural areas. It's high quality, aligns cuticles, Remy, and blends well with many textures. Then comes China, home to global processing hubs. Cities like Zhuchang process, sort, and hand-knot the hair into wigs. Also sourced: Eastern Europe, Slavic hair from Russia, Ukraine, Belarus. Ultra-fine, lighter tones, premium quality, and Southeast Asia, Vietnam, Cambodia. Strong, thick strands ideal for stability and volume. Ethically sourced hair is vital. We work only with partners who use transparent supply chains and fair practices, avoiding hair theft or exploitation. Once hair arrives, it's washed, disinfected, and sorted by length and cuticle alignment. Skilled artisans then ventilate, hand-knotting each strand into Swiss or French lace. Some caps are machine wefted at the back. This process gives that illusion of hair growing directly from your scalp. Each step, washing, sorting, tying, is quality controlled to reduce tangling and maximize durability. When choosing your first wig, start with a classic mid-length straight or soft body wave. Natural black or dark brown is easiest to maintain and dye if needed. Want bold? Try balayage, blonde, burgundy. Always check for a pre-plucked hairline and pre-bleached knots to reduce shedding and give natural density. Here's your starter checklist before buying. Choose lace type, transparent or HD. Measure cap size. Pick appropriate density. Select style and color. Verify pre-plucked and pre-bleached options. Read reviews and check return policy. At abbycurl.com, we provide full details, customer reviews, and support if you ever need help. Ready to find your perfect wig? Head over to abbycurl.com for beginner-friendly collections, educational guides, and amazing deals on natural human hair wigs. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more wig tutorials and behind-the-scenes content, and don't forget to tap the bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. Stay beautiful and confident.